class of 45 students, 32 offered physics, 28 offered government, and 12 did not offer any of the two subjects. The first question says draw the Venn diagram. The second question says how many students offered both subjects. Now, solution to this question in question 1 here, we are going to quickly draw a Venn diagram in this way. The outside here is the universal set, and the total number of students involved is 45. Inside it, we are going to have two circles because the question has to do with two subjects. We're told that physics is 32 and then government is what? 28. Those who are not interested, they are 12. It will be placed outside of the circle. Now, those who offered both subjects, we don't know, so we use X to represent it. Now, those that offered government only, which is this space we have here, will be 28 minus X. Those who offered physics only, also this space we have here, it will be 32 minus what? X. Now, in the question 2 part, we're asked to solve for what? For X. Now, how do we find X? To find X, we are going to add everything within the circle to what we have outside the circle, but within the rectangle, and equate them to what? 45. If you do that, we are going to be having what? 32 minus X plus what? X plus 28 minus X plus 12. And that will be equals to what? 45. Now, this X here will cancel this. So we are going to be having 32 plus 28, which is 60, plus 12, and that gives us what? 72. Minus this X we have remaining is equals to what? 45. If we collect like terms, we are going to have 72 minus 45, and that is equals to what? X. If you subtract 45 from what? 72, that will give us what? 27. Or we'll say our X is what? 27. Here's another question. In a class of 46 students, 22 play football and 26 play volleyball. If 3 students play both games, how many play neither? Those that play neither are those who did not do anything in the particular what question. The first thing for us to do is to interpret the question with a what? Venn diagram. Outside here, we were told that 46 students were involved, so this will be 46. Now we are going to have 2 circles inside because we only have 2 sets of events going on. Now, we're told that football is 22, and those that played volleyball are what? 26. Those that partook in both games are actually what? 3. So the middle here will be what? 3. Those who did neither are those that are outside. We can call it what? X. Those who played only volleyball, which is this space, will be what? 26 minus what? 3. And that is what? 23. Those who played only football will be 22 minus 3. And that is what? 19. In order to find this X, we'll add everything we have in the circle to X and equate it to what? 46. Now that will give us what? 19 plus what? 3 plus 23 plus what? X, and that is what? 46. 19 plus 3 plus 23, that will give us what? 45 plus what? X, and that will be equals to what? 46. If we subtract or collect like terms, we are going to have X is what? 46 minus what? 5. So therefore, our X is what? 1. Do like, share, and what? And comment. Thank you.